Declan Rice is going to be the Patrick Vieira replacement that we've always wanted. He will become that player for us. He's on
That's
the
the hot
doorstep.
take.
Yeah.
I would say that's not a hot take.
The,
That's not a hot
the
take.
reason why I
That's
say
an
the reason
obvious.
why I say it's a hot take, the reason why I say it's a hot take is because you guys will agree with me, but there'll be many people saying that I'm not right about this for several reasons, because they attribute Patrick Vieira to the way that he plays stylistically. Declan Rice and Vieira are not the same
Not the same
stylistically at
player.
all. Actually, Thomas Partey and Vieira are actually more similar stylistically. I think that people attribute him a lot to the beautiful football that we played. The thing about Vieira, and the thing that we miss from Vieira the most, is not the technical player, because we've had technical players in those positions for years. We've missed the the what's going on up here, the mentality,
The football
the
IQ.
attention. Like, we miss somebody that's just going to say, we're not losing. The type of player that's going to go away from home to the difficult grounds and make sure that we don't lose the game. We need presence in our team, and we did not
Mentality
have it.
monster, Declan
Mentality
Rice.
monster, exactly. And for me, Declan Rice, like, he's just going to be that player for us. We've been asking for years for us to replace Patrick Vieira, and I think people spent too much time thinking it was about how Patrick Vieira plays. It's not just about the way that he plays stylistically. It's about the presence and the mentality that he gave to our side. The steeliness. He would go to Stoke away, anywhere away, and he would show up and be that guy for us, ready to fight. And we've missed that. I think Declan Rice gives us the backbone that we've needed. We had some players that brought it. We have some players that have backbone. We know that. We have Gabriel. We have Saliba that has backbone. Ben White. But we need that in midfield. He is the Patrick Vieira replacement that we've always needed. And I'm so happy that we have him. And I don't care if it's Sheffield. That assist, our DM is scoring goals and getting assists on a weekly basis.
Listen,
That's not
if
something
I
that
speak
Thomas
about
Partey was
Enzo,
doing.
if I speak about some other clubs, people listen. Midfielders, I will never be done. I will never be done.
I'm so there. I feel like it's not even like, it's like Arsenal was able, in like, without winning a single title, without doing any, like, mind you, since Arteta's been here, he's failed every single thing. Apparently, he's failed everything he's done. He's failed, and somehow, some way, we convinced England's future captain to come to our club to spend his prime years, not like the end of his career, not like when he's just trying to think, like his prime years. He decided to wear the badge for
Love that for
5+
us.
years. Like, I don't think, like, how we bamboozled him to come here. I don't know what, because like there's this one Tifo video of them explaining the fact that like Arteta and Edu had like a bunch of, obviously a bunch of teams had pitches, but apparently theirs was so detailed of exactly his role was going to be here, both as a leader, as a DM, as an eight, all of it. And I'm sitting there like, Arteta saved us because I don't think people understand that Pep wanted Bellingham.
You saved my life. I'm only a manager.
Pep
Oh wait,
wanted
were you the one who
Bellingham
tweeted
and
that?
Rice. Pep wanted
I've seen
Bellingham
that
and
tweet.
Rice. He wanted Bellingham
Wild.
and Rice.
You saved the league. Having Declan come
Not
here.
enough people give
Everybody
us the
wanted him
props.
to go to City. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Are you crazy?
Oh my
Be for
god.
real.
Declan Rice and Rodri together? God forbid.
Oh yeah, Rodri three
real.
game ban, no problem. We have Declan Rice. No.
The thing about Declan Rice that I love, and this is why he became an instant legend the moment that he got to the club, is he's the type of player that wants to be the reason a club is winning trophies, not somebody that just jumps on the ship that's already going. He speaks about it all the time, that this club needs to get back to winning trophies. And he's not saying it from like this is just what I meant to say. I think he truly does believe that he can be the difference between Arsenal winning these trophies or not. And if you look at just like the game against Chelsea, those are the types of games that if you lose, potentially maybe you don't win the trophies. You don't. You make sure that you don't lose, And I just feel like we've missed that. I think Declan truly does believe that this club is going in the right direction. This is where he needs to be. He takes it very seriously. Like, every single game, I'm so happy we have this player. Like,
So
I am
good.
so freaking happy. He's
People have
amazing.
not talked about his price tag since we bought him because what can you say? He was worth every penny.
He's
Listen,
the
me
only one
personally,
that's proven his price tag. That's justified his
the
price
only
tag, by the
one.
way.
The only one. Like for me personally, he's hot. He's a mentality monster, and he's great on the pitch. I don't have anything to say. I don't have anything to say. I got all the things that I want. Sexy FC, say Sexy FC. Like, please.
Yes, he plays well.
Femi's like, I can't speak on that. But listen, I got what I wanted. Listen.